What's going on YouTube? My name is Mitchell and today I'm going to be installing a new stereo into my E30. If you want to do this yourself, here's what you're going to need. A stereo, 4 5¼ inch speakers, and now this is optional, some speaker wire, and an antenna delete plug. Now, my car already has an aftermarket stereo, so install is going to be pretty straightforward, but if you don't, you're going to want to look up a wiring diagram for your car. I've removed the center console and the rear seats to make installing of the speaker wire to the rear speakers a lot easier.
Yeah, we are in the place to be. Yeah.
It was a tight fit, but I got it in. Now I'm all done with wiring, and here's a quick tip for you. If you zip tie the wiring harness like that, it won't tangle when you put it all in the dash. And this is what it looks like when you're done. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. If you guys have any feedback, please leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time.